Hey everyone, JD Dudum. We're back here at Dudum Chiropractic. Today we're going to dive into a topic of disc herniations. Now, disc herniations are important because they cause numbness and tingling down the back of the leg, the front of the leg, some groin pain, and unfortunately they can happen out of nowhere. And patients are unaware of what to do or what their treatment options are. So today we're going to dive into the different types of herniations or disc bulges or ruptures, these terms that are thrown out there a lot that people don't know what's going on. So let's talk about that. The anatomy of the spine and the discs. In the lumbar area or lower back, we've got 5 vertebrae, right? L1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now in between each one of those vertebrae, there's a disc. That's the cushion. And these structures are important because the soft yellow nerves come out of both sides that you can see here. I'm trying to hit myself with the spine. Both sides. They go down the back of the leg, the front of the leg, and sometimes into the groin. So it's important that the structure of the disc is in full integrity and it's not going anywhere. So if this would be an example of a disc, we look at it as a jelly-filled donut. It's a cushion. It's supposed to have some give to it. It absorbs gravity. And what we don't want to do is we don't want to see the deformities of the disc in any way, because the disc is made up of 2 parts. The inside is the jelly. We call that the nucleus pulposus. It's the jelly. Now the outside is a very thick fibrous tissue. It's called annular tissue. So we have a really thick outside with a really soft squishy inside, like a jelly-filled donut. What we don't want to happen is we don't want the integrity to be where the jelly starts to ooze a little bit out of the shell. Now it's still within the shell or the annular area, but it's pushing against the wall. Now that's more of a slip disc, okay? That's going to cause nerve pain. If we see in our model here, between the 2 bones, there's a disc. That red area you see is what we call a slip, or it's pushing out. Now the jelly, the important part, the jelly is still in the container. It's still in the annular shell. So it might just be rubbing against that nerve there. Much easier to treat. The second option is what some people refer to as a rupture or herniation. You might get the pushing out, but the outer shell actually ruptures. So the jelly is free-flowing. It's not contained within the wall. That's much harder to treat because we can't control where the jelly goes. So instead of within containment there, like that red structure, jelly is going to be flowing towards the nerve, up or down, and it's causing a lot more inflammation. So much harder to treat. MRI is the best way for us to diagnose what kind of herniation or disc bulge you may have. That gives us a good answer of what your treatment options are. So if you're struggling with disc pain or nerve pain, I hope this might give you an idea of what your results might mean or what your options are. So if you have questions, please feel free, respond to this video, shoot me an email. Be happy to talk to you further about maybe how we can help move past your pain and get to where you want to be. I'm JD Dudum with Dudum Chiropractic. Thanks for watching. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.